In this episode, a fresh at home science project builds a DIY sound box to visualize how vibrations travel through air. Materials include a sturdy cardboard box, assorted rubber bands, scissors, tape, a small drum or bottle, a tuning fork, and a marker. The science explains resonant frequencies, as the box acts like a tiny amplifier letting certain pitches induce stronger air waves. Steps are simple: cut a lid, stretch bands over the box top, attach a diaphragm, strike the fork, and watch the bands shimmer. Safety tips remind viewers to handle scissors safely and supervise younger learners.